How to fix a Lasko fan that quit working. First, check the outlet. Unplug the Lasko fan and plug another appliance, such as a lamp, into the same outlet. If the other appliance doesn't work, the outlet may be the problem. Step 2. Plug the fan directly into the wall. If you're using an extension cord, power strip, or a surge protector, remove it. Plug the fan directly into the wall outlet. Step 3. Do a complete Lasko reset. This is one of the first things Lasko tells you to do. Turn the fan off, unplug it, leave it unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes. Plug it directly into a different wall outlet, preferably in another room, and then turn it back on. Lasko officially recommends this reset procedure. Step 4. Check the fan's controls. Try turning the fan on using its physical controls rather than the remote. For a knob-controlled model, make sure the knob is actually moved from off to a speed setting. Step 5. Replace the remote batteries. If your fan normally uses a remote, open the battery compartment, remove the old batteries, install the fresh ones, and make sure the positives and the negatives are oriented correctly. Step 6. Check whether the fan overheated. If the fan was running and suddenly stopped, overheating is a possibility. Let it sit unplugged for 15 minutes, then try again. Step 7. Look for excessive dust. Heavy dust and lint can restrict airflow and contribute to overheating. Unplug the fan first. Then clean the accessible areas using a vacuum with a brush attachment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.